Hi, everyone. Hope that you will join us this coming Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern. Hi, Norm.
Hello there.
We're going to have another great show all about men's health.
I wondered what this was all about, actually, sitting in the middle of the table, the walnut. But anyway, I know that has something to do with it.
Yes.
Men's health coming up for you on the Dr. Janine Show, which is every Monday at 7 o'clock. And of course, you can follow it and watch on Facebook Live and also on YouTube. And follow Dr. Janine online at Instagram, of course, and also on Facebook at Dr. Janine. And we've got a lot of things to cover in the show, right?
We will. We're going to be talking about the prostate and health of the prostate. Certainly if the prostate is enlarging with BPH, we'll be talking about that. We're going to be talking about healthy libido and sex drive. We're going to be talking about fertility in men, but women as well. I'm also going to share a great recipe with you.
Oh, good. Oh, I can't wait. Love those.
Yeah, and the recipe is fantastic because it incorporates some natural ingredients. So things to help with our omega fatty acids as well as our zinc levels, and it's delicious. It can be used as a breakfast, alternative. Instead of having a heavy breakfast, you can drink this or actually eat it, depending on how thick you make it, but you're gonna love that. We're also gonna be doing some fantastic exercises. So a little bit different this coming week with our exercises.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're not just going to be talking about, the physical exercises. We won't be doing the facial exercises, but we will be doing specific for the guys, some exercises that involve not just our physical body, but our mind as well, and that mind-body connection and how that's related to men's health. So whether it is, the shutting down of energy and certain energy symptoms and systems of the body, but also we're talking about the chakras. Do you know what a chakra is?
No, I don't. What is a chakra anyway?
A chakra is one of our energy centers of the body, and specifically for men, when we're talking about virility, we're talking about money, we're talking about all these things that guys tend to tune into.
To dwell on? Yeah.
Yes, that this energy center can get stuck, and we're going to be focusing on that and how to heal it and how to get that energy and how to get that money flowing again.
We might even see a little snippet of Dr. Janine's vacation videos, introducing us to somebody that she met while on vacation that has a lot to do with our men's health topic, right?
Yes, that's going to be fun. So I wish it was just a vacation. I mean, it was part of my research. It may look like I was on vacation, Norm, but yeah, it was part of our research that, we travel to different parts of the world, and I actually interview very healthy people that live well into their, 100th year. So the centenarians of the world. And I love to learn from them. So we're going to see some of that footage as well. So I'm so excited to share that with you.
On Facebook Live and also on YouTube, 7 o'clock Monday, Men's Health, the Dr. Janine Show. Follow her on Instagram and Facebook also.
I can't wait to see you. We'll see you on Monday.